Imagine saving 200 hours every month with just 5 hours of effort. Today, we're uncovering how Delivery Hero tackled a huge IT bottleneck with the power of n8n automation. Plus, stay tuned to discover 3 crucial automation opportunities that most businesses are overlooking. Delivery Hero encountered a significant obstacle. Their IT department was inundated with 800 account lockout tickets every month. Each ticket took an average of 35 minutes to resolve, totaling over 450 hours monthly. This monotonous task was not only draining IT resources, but also causing significant delays and frustration for employees. Rather than expanding their workforce, Delivery Hero opted for a sophisticated automation solution. This advanced system swiftly identifies account lockout issues, directs approval requests to the appropriate manager, triggers API calls to reset systems, notifies the employee, and efficiently closes the ticket. This entire streamlined process now takes just 20 minutes. The results were nothing short of remarkable. Resolution times plummeted from 35 minutes down to just 20. This translated to a staggering 200 hours saved every month. Productivity skyrocketed, and the return on investment was almost immediate, and all it took was a mere 5 hours of setup. Discover 3 game-changing automation opportunities your business might be overlooking. First, customer onboarding. Did you know 23% of new customers drop off due to poor onboarding? Implementing automation can boost your retention rates by an impressive 30%. Next, data synchronization. Manual data transfers waste 5 to 7 hours every week. Automating this process can save each employee over 300 hours annually. Lastly, approval workflows. Delays in your inbox can cost your business $20,000 every year. Automation can cut these delays by a staggering 80%. Ready for powerful automation? Syrvi.ai specializes in AI solutions that qualify leads, personalize interactions, and close more deals without hiring more staff. Their team analyzes your processes, designs custom solutions, and implements automation that delivers results. Visit syrvi.ai today to find your perfect solution.